Hey there guys, Chet here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a simple lead magnet system using Brevo. So by the end of the video, you'll know how to design a sign-up form, collect leads automatically, and connect everything to your marketing funnel. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link down below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything that you need to know to master the platform step by step. Now, let's get started. To build a simple lead magnet system with Brevo, go to the left menu and click on the Marketing tab. It will expand to more options like campaigns, landing pages, forms, statistics, and templates. Now, click on Forms to create an opt-in form for your lead magnet. Then click on the Create Sign Up Form button located at the top right corner. On the next page, you'll be asked to choose the type of form you want to create. So for this tutorial, select Full Page Embedded and give your form a name in the provided field. Once you have filled in the details, click on the Create Form button to move ahead. You'll now be taken to the Design section. Now on this page, you will see a large canvas in the center and a menu on the left with two sections, Build and Form Design. Now the Build section includes the actual blocks used to create your form. Under blocks, you'll see elements like title, text, image, and divider. Under fields, you'll find options such as attribute, multi-list, subscription, single choice, and then multiple choice. Under data, privacy, and security, you'll see GDPR fields, checkbox, and CAPTCHA options. Now that you understand the structure, start building your lead magnet form. So since this form is really just meant to collect subscriber information, you'll need fields like email, first name, and last name. Now, the email field is added automatically, but to include additional fields like first name or last name, go to the Fields section and drag the attribute block to the main form area. After adding it, you'll notice a drop-down menu on the right side under Attribute List. Click on that, and then select the field that you want to display, such as first name. Repeat this step to add other fields like last name or mobile number, depending on your needs. Once your fields are added, include compliance elements for data protection. So drag the consent checkbox into your form to make it GDPR compliant. Now you can also add a CAPTCHA to prevent spam submissions. And then next, customize your button. Click on the button in your form and edit its label to something relevant like Get My Download or Subscribe. You can adjust spacing, alignment, or colors from the settings on the left. To see how your form looks, use the preview toggle at the top to switch between desktop and mobile views. Very important to get both. Now, when your form design is ready, click on Next at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the Lists section. Here, choose the lists where new signups should be saved. For this tutorial, select your first list and then click Next. Now you'll move into the Settings section. This is where you will decide how new signups are confirmed. You'll see options like double confirmation email, simple confirmation email, or no confirmation email. Select the option that suits your lead magnet strategy. Many marketers really prefer double confirmation because it ensures quality leads, but you can use single confirmation for a smoother experience if you so choose. Once you're done, click Next. You'll then reach the Message section. Now, this is where you can set up messages that users will see during the form process, such as success message, invalid information message, error message, and empty field alert. Edit these messages to make them clear and friendly, and then click Next. Finally, you'll arrive at the Share section. This is where you publish your lead magnet form. You can copy the shareable link, download a QR code to distribute online, or embed the form directly on your website. Once you've chosen your preferred method, click on Done. Your lead magnet system is now ready, so every time a visitor fills out your form, their details will be automatically added to your chosen contact list. So from there, you can connect this form to your automation workflows to deliver your lead magnet instantly and start nurturing your leads with follow-up emails. And that's how you build a simple lead magnet system in Brevo. It's really one of the easiest ways to collect and manage leads without needing any extra tools. And don't forget, if you'd like to unlock more advanced features, check the link in the description. You'll get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months, plus access to our complete Brevo course that will cover everything from setup to advanced automations. All right, that's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.